Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you what to do if you aren't receiving a CIBC verification code. So first, make sure the phone number or email connected to your CIBC account is correct. And if you're waiting for an SMS, then check that your phone has cellular service and can receive regular text messages. Then give the code some time to arrive before requesting another one. And if you've requested multiple codes, then use the most recent code you receive. Next, check your phone's blocked message or spam settings to make sure automated messages aren't being filtered. And if you're receiving the code by email, then check your inbox, spam, and junk folders as well. You should also try restarting your phone and check your internet or cellular connection. Then make sure the CIBC Mobile Banking app is updated to the latest version available from your app store. And if you're using a dual SIM phone, then confirm that the number registered with CIBC is active and able to receive SMS messages. So that was it for the video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.